Hi, today we're painting a sunset sky. I'm using cobalt blue for the main part of my sky. Then I've mixed 2 shades of purple using permanent rose, cobalt blue, a little Payne's grey and some white. I'm using this colour to block out where the clouds are going to be. Because the blue is dry, I can come in with my yellow now on the sky. I've added white to add some brightness along the horizon. I'm using a blender brush and a small round brush to add my lovely sunset colours and slowly build up the clouds. Don't worry if it takes a few layers and they don't look quite right to begin with. Just keep painting and building up the layers. If it doesn't look the way you want it to, it just means that you haven't finished yet. Once the sky is dry, I've added masking tape along the horizon line and I'm just using sap green with a little Payne's grey to block out the grass. After adding a little bit of cadmium yellow to break up that green, I'm going to put in the silhouette of my tree. If you use a liner brush or a small round brush, you'll get a nice fine delicate line. For the foliage, I'm using a stippler brush. I haven't put too much paint on the brush because it's much easier to build up the leaves and the foliage rather than have too much paint on there and try to take it off. Now I'm using a small round brush to make some of the leaves on the tree a little denser. We can add some details to the grass now with a liner brush. Some dark areas, some lighter areas, and a few blades of grass in the foreground. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Here are some others that I think you might like to watch next. See you next time.